right, exercise number 1. So, metronome discussion. So, every time you start your metronome practice, you start at 60 beats a minute. You play the exercise correctly just one time, and then you increase the speed by just 5 beats a minute. And you keep doing that over and over and over again until you can't get it any faster. So, that's the real quick explanation on the whole metronome deal again. Start at 60, play the exercise correct just one time, bump it up 5, keep doing that till you can't go faster. So make sure you write down how fast you got, so this way you can try and beat it with each session. So I mentioned that if you feel you're having a hard time following the metronome correctly, use Guitar Pro to play along with that. Same thing, you have it set at 60 to begin with, and then just keep increasing the tempo by 5 every time you get it right. So, first exercise. If you need to do this to help you get started again, count 4 so you get that rhythm of the beat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So you count it a few times, then you start playing along with it. You get used to that strumming pace. And then when you're ready, here's exercise 1 at 60 beats a minute. So fingering, I'm going first, third, fourth, fourth, second, first, 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 third. Alright, and here's what it sounds like at 100. 140. Let's do 170 next. This is about how fast you were picking the open string thing earlier. And here's what 200 sounds like. So remember, when you're playing, you got to make a conscious effort to not have your pick dig past the string real deep. You got to just have it barely touch the outside of that string. And think about picking real light too, because to be able to play really fast stuff, you got to have a fairly light hit on the string. If I have my pick go in too much, automatic slowdown, and I'm sure you could hear all that acoustic of the string there versus. So, gotta be careful of how far the pick goes in. So, exercise number 3, using alternate picking. So, everything is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, what you might want to do, I think would be a good idea, before you start doing metronome stuff with this, make sure that you know what your left hand's doing. And then watch what your right hand does. And make sure that it's going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, here's what it sounds like at 60. So remember, we have 1/8 notes here. It's only 2 notes a beat. The other exercise was 16th notes, which has 4 notes a beat. So we're doing it a bit slower here. Here we go, 60 beats a minute, alternate picking. Here it is at 100. 140. Let's do 180. 200. 220. And then your goal speed with eighth notes like this, 240. It's basically what I consider the graduation speed. So once you can play eighth note stuff like that at 240 beats a minute, now you're more prepared to practice 16th note stuff back down at the 60. So we got to get you playing like scale runs, things like that at 240 before you start working on 16th notes. So that includes like the chromatic thing. If you were to do something like that, we need to have you going this fast. What am I doing? That's quarter notes. Hang on. So I don't remember exactly what you did. I think it was something like that. Just a simple 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, even that. Eighth notes first. It's a 240 beats a minute before you start working on the 16s. It's just quick explanation. It's just a way to get you better prepared to handle the faster speeds, mentally and physically, and you name it. So yeah, I know you. So you're gonna record the video demonstration before next. Well, just wait, give yourself as much time before the next lesson. So maybe record and send the video Sunday night. That can work. And then I'll watch that and have some notes for the Monday lesson. But yeah, if you have any questions about what to do, anything about this video, let me know. Just send me an email. And yeah, this is just the start. See how you do, and take it from there. All right, we'll see you next week.